If you've lost access to your SolarWinds account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the SolarWinds login page. Go to the official SolarWinds login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your SolarWinds account. Make sure it is the correct one, as this will be used to send you recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the recovery link. Click on the recovery link provided in the email. This will direct you to a page where you can reset your password or verify your identity through other means. Step 5. Set a new password. Create a new password for your account. Make sure it is strong and secure. After setting your new password, you should be able to log into your SolarWinds account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to SolarWinds support for further assistance.